been a little while since I've worn my corset in an outfit. Also, purple is one of my favourite colours, as everyone knows, so this is an amazing shirt for me. It's actually one of my sisters that I've stolen, so don't tell her. It's really oversized, so I decided to throw the corset on over the top to sort of like make it a bit more fitting and poofy and Victorian-y looking. And I really like it like this. The sleeves do sort of like bunch up a bit and go a bit shorter, but I think it looks cute. I've just got my general thermal leggings on underneath, and then I'm wearing my Koi shoes that I got the other day, well, other week, but because of the way I walk, they're slowly becoming like more and more marked on my right shoe, and it's really annoying and I'm really upset, but they still look really nice from the top and they're still super soft. I also threw on like a multicoloured choker and my Loki ring that my sister got me for Christmas, which is amazing. It's one of them stackable rings. There are 3 rings that come with it. I've only got 2 on at the moment, but they're sort of like really big on me, so I have to sort of hold them down usually with another ring that I don't have on at the moment. But yeah, it's adorable and I love it so much. And then I have my little purple chinchilla pet companion to match me today because I'm in a very purpley mood. Here's me just modelling with my chinchilla.